Headquarters, and I'm going to show you how to replace the check spring on your Q'nique. You only need 3 items, and here's this item. Later on I'll show you how to get it out of the machine. So anyways, what you do is get your screwdriver. Your check spring's broke. Just loosen this up, pull that out. Here's your check spring. You want to put this forward. See the little slot right there? You just put this check spring in your slot, and then you just sneak it inside, just like that. And there's a little tab straight down in there, and there's a little line on this right here. There's a little line. And you just go in here and you just kind of turn this and line it up till it falls into place. And then you'll look in your check spring and see this notch. Just move it to where it's just barely above that notch. We tighten it down and just the easy educated elbow tightness, and then you can see the spring can travel. That's it. Now we'll go to the machine and I'll show you how to put it in and take it out. Okay, here we are at the machine, and all you got to do to take it out is you just get a 2.5 millimeter wrench, and you just loosen this out, and this pulls out. It's just one unit pulls out. When you put the unit back into the machine, if you look at the check spring, you'll see the groove on the check spring, and you just want to have this pushed out enough to where the grooves the outside of the groove is here for your check spring can move, and then you just want it set at where this is right here. This is sitting at 11 o'clock, and so right on the bottom of the spring you got 11 o'clock, and if that's difficult, the top of this is about 11:30, 12 o'clock, and then you just tighten that down. That's it, you're done.